Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make simple potato soup. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need 5 medium potatoes, peeled and diced into 1-inch cubes, and 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. Also, prepare 1/2 cup of chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of whole milk on hand. These simple items are all you need for a delicious, comforting meal. Now, let's start cooking. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Once melted, add your chopped onion and sauté it gently for about 5 minutes until it becomes soft and translucent. Next, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute more until it releases its wonderful aroma. Then, add the diced potatoes and 4 cups of broth, bringing the mixture to a gentle boil. To achieve that perfect creamy texture, reduce the heat to low and let the soup simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are fork tender. While that's simmering, whisk 1/4 cup of flour into 1 cup of milk in a separate bowl until completely smooth. Gradually pour this milk and flour mixture into your soup, stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Continue to cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the soup to thicken beautifully. Finally, it's time to season and serve your delicious creation. Stir in 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Always taste your soup and adjust the seasonings as needed to suit your personal preference. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh chives, a sprinkle of shredded cheddar cheese, or some crispy bacon bits. Serve your warm, comforting potato soup immediately and savor every spoonful. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.